Do you struggle with the hazard perception part of your theory test? If you do, then this video is for you. In our last YouTube video, we went through how to master your hazard perception test, including our recommended 3-click method. In this video, we'll be going through multiple real-life hazard perception scenarios and demonstrating when you should click for maximum points. But before we get into it, let's go through the 3-click method one more time. Click once when you see a potential hazard, click again as it becomes a developing hazard, and click once more as a safety click, just in case the previous clicks weren't within the scoring window. You're about to see 6 hazard perception clips, and each clip will be shown to you twice. The first time around is for you to play along, and the second time through we'll be demonstrating when you should click for maximum points. Let's get into the examples. So, how did you do? As we mentioned on screen, these clips were examples of real-life hazards on the roads. But it's important to remember that your real test will consist of CGI clips, so they will look slightly different on screen. With that being said, guys, we hope this video has given you some good tips for the real thing, and if you want to practice even more, head over to our award-winning 4-in-1 Theory Test app where you can access 85 official DVSA hazard perception clips. So you can walk into your theory test feeling confident and ready to pass, just like the 18 million other learner drivers we've helped prepare for their theory test. Make sure to follow us on our other social media channels at Driving Test Success for more daily tips, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one, guys.